Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a server as an Active Directory domain controller and connect a client machine to the domain. The first thing you want to do is open Server Manager and go into Add Roles and Features. Click Next. And you want to make sure role-based or feature-based installation is selected. Click Next. Okay, again select Next. Right, and we want to look for DNS server and select it. And add features. Okay, now you want to do the same thing for the Active Directory domain services. And click Next. Click Next again. Next. And then we want to click Install. Okay, so it's going to start installing, and this process is going to take a while, so we'll come back once it's done installing. Okay, so now it's done installing, and we're going to click Promote this server to a domain controller. Next, you want to click Add a new forest. And you want to put in the root domain name. I'm just going to put Anna.com. You can put anything you like though. Just remember to put the .com and click Next. Once that's done loading, you want to put in a password. Of course, make sure it's something that would be easy to remember for you. And then confirm. Okay, once you put in your password and confirmed it, click Next. Okay, click Next again. Let this load. Okay, it's going to automatically assign this to you. You can change it if you want, or you can keep it. I'm just going to keep it. And click Next. Next again. You can read through this and then click Next. And now we want to click Install. As you can see, it says once you click Install, the server will automatically reboot. So you just want to let your server restart after you install. Install, and we'll come back once the server has restarted. Okay, so the server restarted and I logged back in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into network and sharing and turn back on all this stuff, because sometimes they turn off after it's been done. Okay, and then you can just save changes. Now I want to go into my client machine, so I'm going to get that up and running, and then I'll be back once it's up. Okay, so now I'm on my other server, and I want to go into files. And go into this PC. Now we're going to right click and go into properties. Okay, once you've clicked properties, this will come up and you want to click change settings, and then it will take you here. And from here, you want to click change. And you're going to put in username and password of your account. Once that's done, just go ahead and click OK. And now you can see it says welcome to the anna.com domain, and click OK. And it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Click OK, and we'll come back once the server has restarted. Okay, so it's restarted and we want to sign in, but we don't want to be an administrator, so we're going to click other user. And here we're going to put in our domain name, // /administrator. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our password. Okay, so this part's probably going to take a while, but we'll come back once it has successfully logged in. Okay, so it's logged in, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings, because we want to go into network and sharing to make sure that everything is turned on. Okay, so I've turned on everything, save changes, and I'm gonna go back to my main server. Okay, so from the server manager, you want to go into tools, and you're gonna look for Active Directory users and computers. Now we're going to double click the domain, and then we're going to double click computers. We are going to right click this and go to properties. Then we are going to click delegation, and then we're going to select trust this computer for delegation to any service. Then click apply and OK. And that's everything. Thank you for watching, everyone.